In this tutorial, we will use Canva's animation to rotate the bicycle wheels. Open up a page and go to Elements. Choose a man riding a bicycle. This one is good for this example. Now we have to remove the background. Please note that if you do not have a Canva Pro account, you can go to a free site to remove the backgrounds. There is a link in the description. Now, let's go back to Elements and look for bicycle wheels. Remove the background. Now place the wheel over the wheel in the image. Duplicate it and do the same for the other wheel. Go up to Animate, and at the bottom, you will see Rotate. Click to apply and adjust it. You can see the wheels rotating. Let's go back to Elements and look for Moving Road. Make sure it's a video. Let's choose this one. Adjust it to the background. Group the bicycle and the wheels so that you can move it and adjust to the proper size. Please remember to ungroup the bicycle and the wheels so that the animation can work. Now it's done. If you liked this tutorial, please do like, share, and subscribe for more animation tutorials. Thank you for watching.